May I invite you, Dr. Suresh Kumar Madhusudhanan. When he comes, that's it. That's it. Come on. Let your clap be thunder. Let it be heard across the city.
Good evening, everyone. It is with a great pride and privilege I stand in front of you on this 14th anniversary celebration of Seagull International Group. I was just remembering when I left from Kerala on 17th of November 1984. I never thought that I will stand here in front of all these august guardians and with respectable ministers and so many bureaucrats. I always thank Almighty God, our Guru Sri Narayana, my parents, my family, my relatives, my friends, all the other well-wishers of mine, especially all the civilians who has been stood with me for the last 40 years. This is the moment, the full credit to the civilians. Because what I believe is that the success of, I don't know whether it is success or 40 years, the journey, I never run for money. I always believe in professionalism. Professionalism will automatically bring whatever you want. And I always try to do ethical, legal, and with integrity. I always do my job starting from my journey. My father started this organization in 18th March 1985 in a very small place in Valley, less than 50 square feet office. The journey from 50 square feet office to 5,000 square feet office in the metro city like Bombay